All right, I'm out here today. We're working on a water truck. We're gonna be taking all the yellow off of this damn thing. It's pretty yellow, as you can see, and we're also gonna be removing all of the stickers on the side we've got on here. Make this thing look like new again. We're gonna be using our calcium rust remover. It's called Extreme Prep. It'll take off all this heavy calcium built up on this machine and make it look white again. And then basically we're going to finish cleaning everything up. So now that you've got everything mixed up in the tank, you take it over to the machine that you're going to be working on, and then you start to apply the Extreme Prep. So as you can see, it'll start to activate. But you basically put it on here nice and even. Try to work downwind if it's a windy day. What I'll do is we'll do half of this container so you can just sort of see what it does. It's a hot day like it is today. It's good to work in sections. So I'm going to fire up the pressure washer, and then I'll show you what it does when you pressure wash that off. As you can see, knocked it pretty quickly. That was only within probably about 30 seconds. But you can see on this side where without the product, it does feel